Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to restore Phantom Wallet using your secret phrase. If you have deleted the app, changes devices or logged out, you can recover your wallet using your secret recovery phrase to build to 24, and this phrase is the master key to your funds. Enter it correctly and your wallet tokens and balances will reappear exactly as before. And after that you can simply open to your Phantom Wallet, and once you get into this interface of your Phantom Wallet here, tap on the I already have a wallet in the bottom there and select to this other import options and select to this import recovery phrase here, and you can simply type all the words in the exact order, use the lowercase and correct spelling, and what you can do is import the recovery phrase. And that is it. This is how you can restore your Phantom Wallet with your secret phrase, and which is quick and secure. Just enter the words correctly and your wallet comes back instantly. The most important thing is to protect your phrase at all cost. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.